version of me is DOOGEE S98, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. You need to begin by exiting Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Now type in Magic Fluids and install this free app. This one from this developer, Mad Scientist. Once ready, select Open. Now you need to click on those three lines at the bottom right corner and select Settings. Following that, click on I accept in the pop-up. But I think I need to change my font size first, so I have to go into Settings, choose Display, click on font size over here, make it smaller, go into Magic Fluids app, click on those three lines, select Settings and tap on I accept, then. Now you can adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you wish to. And tap on the top right corner. Then click on the bottom one again, but this time select Set as Live Wallpaper. Then click on Set Wallpaper and decide if you wish to apply it on home screen or home screen and locked screen by selecting one of those options. Now when I click Home button, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!